everybody, today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. The required ingredients are 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 1/8 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup chocolate chips. And you're going to bake for 8 to 10 minutes at 375. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the oven on to 375. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to get all of our ingredients together. So here we've got our 1 stick of butter. It actually needs to be room temperature, but we're just going to ignore that. Here is our sugar here in our jar. So we've got that. This is Blaise. He's helping me today, and he's going to be doing my makeup today as well.
We thought we'd get on like a 2017 kind of trend.
We also need some vanilla. We've just got Singing Dog Vanilla. Good brand, I know the owner. Then we need some flour.
What a flex.
Here's the flour.
You don't have to show that.
We've got all-purpose wheat flour. You can use any all-purpose flour though.
There's no way they need to know that.
We've got salt in a shaker here.
Do you know the people who own that?
I actually don't know the people who own this
Okay.
salt. So here we've got our Hain Pure Foods.
Oh my god.
Baking
it's not
powder.
an ad.
You know what? They need to know what kind of stuff I'm using. Now we need chocolate chips. They are Nestle chocolate chip. That is all we need. Now Blaise is going to do some of my makeup. He knows nothing about what each thing is used for, so we'll see what he chooses.
Finishing powder seems like it goes on at the end. I'm gonna wait on that one. Glitter.
Glitter is good.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Okay, that's foundation.
That sounds like a good start.
That's a good. He did good. He chose the right thing.
I'm not gonna put
He's
much.
putting it on his hands now. Oh,
This.
He figured out what that is for. Oh, okay. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Good.
Need to brag. You know what I feel like a lot of women forget is the ears.
Okay.
That's good foundation.
Good.
That's good foundation.
Yeah? You proud of it?
I did some
Good.
foundation work.
Okay, we're done with the foundation. Now we're gonna do some of the cookie recipe. The things that you're gonna need are a bowl. Here, bowl. Actually, you know what? I don't need this bowl. What did you get on me? We don't actually need a bowl because we're gonna use our handy dandy KitchenAid, and it has its own bowl.
I need to make sure that you're. Oh wait, it's on your glasses. You need to pop for the camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well, do I look good now?
Yeah.
Is it good enough for the
Yeah.
camera?
Does this lipstick taste good?
No. Did you want to eat it? He ate it.
Oh. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, stop moving. Yes.
I think I look really good.
Excellent.
On with the cookie recipe. I put the butter in the bowl.
What's this one
Since
supposed to
it called for a 1/2 cup of each type of sugar, we're just going to do a whole cup of normal sugar. So we're going to measure out a cup of sugar here. And almost there. So we're going to put the sugar in the bowl. Here's the egg. Just going to crack that bad boy in there.
What about a beauty mark?
Oh, does it work?
Yeah.
It looks really good. This is our cat. Her name is April. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna cream together the sugar,
Yeah.
the egg, the vanilla, and the butter.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's good. No, that's good.
Wow, that looks good. Wow. Oh, now we're talking.
Okay.
This is a look right here. I am enjoying this thoroughly. We're gonna continue
I like
with,
how you put the glasses back on.
now we're gonna continue
All
with
the makeup I get.
the tutorial. Now we need to get,
Let's break stuff.
oops.
Jesus, that needs to go in there.
Now we're just gonna turn this bad boy on.
That's what.
Oh.
my God.
Is my makeup look done or are you adding more?
There's gotta be mascara.
Oh, yeah, duh.
I can't think of any like makeup looks. I don't know makeup looks. I can tell you though, this needs a little bit of work.
Okay, yeah.
Close your eye. That's good. That's good. That's great.
Oh, you actually did well.
Look,
I'm impressed.
now shut your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. Look up. This is much whiter than I thought. But it looks 100 times better with this.
You put it on top of the other makeup. So now it looks worse.
What?
I mean better.
Yeah.
I mean better.
Watch your eyes.
That looks pretty good. Yeah.
Oh yeah. How do we put the pepper in?
We put that in last. Now we need 1 1/8.
Which one tastes good?
None of them.
One of them tasted good. I swear to
That's my chapstick.
Where's that?
It ran out. I'm really sad.
Are you serious?
Yeah, no, I'm not. I mean, I am serious. 1 1/8 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you're just gonna plop the flour on top of the rest of the mix. You're not supposed to do this. You're supposed to mix it in a separate bowl, but I think that's a waste of time. I don't really care how perfect my cookies are. I just want to eat cookies. If you're a perfectionist,
Me
you
too.
should mix them in a separate bowl.
Mix them in.
But if you're not, like me, just put it in the bowl.
Darn. Bowl.
Next is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
If you put way more than you need, it's just gonna work out fine.
It's gonna be disgusting.
Baking powder is really not very important.
If you put too much baking powder, it's gonna be gross.
When you buy baking powder,
Okay.
basically it's a flavor enhancer, and if you take the whole thing and pour it all into your cookies,
No, do not listen to him.
you're gonna end up with better cookies.
False. You will end up with massive cookies because they'll rise too much and they'll taste disgusting.
That sounds like more quantity.
Also, very, very key difference. Don't use baking soda. Baking soda
We
in
drink
this
that one.
will be disgusting. No, we don't drink that one.
Don't mix those up. Don't mix this up either. They clicked on this video because of me.
That's probably true.
This is a good thumbnail.
We've got it to this kind of crumbly stage. Now we're gonna add in the chocolate chips. We need 1 cup of chocolate chips, milk chocolate and peanut butter flavored. So it's basically a sugar cookie plus a chocolate chip cookie plus peanut butter cookie. Now we're just gonna mix these in. Looks like this. Yeah, I'm more annoying.
No, I'm more annoying.
No, I'm more annoying.
They've watched this video. They know who's more annoying.
It's obviously me.
We're gonna
Yeah.
need 3.
A cookie tray. Oh, you can see yourself.
That means
looking
3 cookies.
sexy today. On this. Now you're gonna oil up your pan. So I'm just gonna butter my pan up. It now. What did you do?
Watch.
It now has butter.
I fixed it.
Thank you. I'm gonna wash my hands first, and then I'm gonna make some cookies.
Welcome to Today Tomorrow, the show where we talk about things that will happen before they've happened, after they have happened, after this has been put out but haven't happened, as of now, right now. Things like purple whirly star, people man, coming down to Earth, ancient aliens, and, you know, Jupiters. Yeah. Today on Why Is She Here, Zara.
Why am I here?
Why is she here?
I
cook.
give you foot rubs.
No, you do not.
Okay, you give
Yeah.
me foot rubs. Now we're gonna make some cookies. I'm gonna say like 2 tablespoons worth, like this size blob. They shouldn't spread out too much. They'll spread out a little bit. So you can put them fairly close together. That's for the cat, not me. Ow! Cookies on a tray. This is about how far apart you're gonna want to put. Oh no,
Oven's
it rolled.
open.
If you're a child, do this only with supervision parental.
Make sure that your parents are supervising when you get in the oven.
Make sure to supervise your parents. If they don't put enough chocolate chips in, then you better scold them.
And we're shutting this down. I'm sorry, goodbye. We're shutting this down.
The cookies are now done. I put them in for 8 minutes and the edges are brown. And that's when you want to take out sugar cookies because otherwise they'll get too hard when you take them out. When you take them out, you want them to still be soft in the middle. They're really soft, but that's how you want them, because then they're gonna get hard. They're really hot. Now these cookies are done. Now I'm gonna do the next batch, and I'm gonna do them for 6 or 7 minutes because those ones were a little bit brown on the edges, which I like, but Blaise doesn't. Here's our second batch. I'm putting a lot because they didn't spread out as much as I thought they would. Put those on for 6 minutes and see how they look. Here's Legato. She doesn't love being held, but I'm trying to get her used to it. But she's so cute. Really yummy. Here is the last batch. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
Do it.
Watch our next videos because we're gonna be making a lot because we're really bored. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye everyone.